I learned such a delicious recipe for eggs that even my grandmother asked me for it. In a cupcake tin greased with milk butter, add 6 units of eggs in each reserved space. That's right, we're making gourmet-style eggs. Now season with salt. Remember, moderation is key, but we're not on a diet here. Distribute 50 g of mortadella. The taste of mortadella is like a warm hug, isn't it? Also add 50 g of mozzarella cheese. Ah, the cheese! Who can resist this melted delight? Top it off with 30 g of red bell pepper. This will give our eggs incredible color and flavor. Add 35 g of Parmesan cheese. Because, let's face it, everything is better with Parmesan cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees for 15 minutes. It's the perfect time to take a quick break and imagine the aroma that will invade your kitchen. And here it is. Our sensational eggs with mortadella in the cupcake tin are ready to be served. Look at that presentation. Did you like this recipe? Then like and follow our channel for more tips like this. Bon appetit and see you on your next culinary adventure.